What's up, guys? So, new clutch is getting put on the Mini. I'm gonna go to my buddy Tony's shop, I Autoworks, out here in Grand Prairie, Arlington area. We're gonna go watch him install the new clutch, kind of show you guys the new clutch and put it in there. It's an organic, springless clutch, so just have some footage here, how they work and what they do, and hopefully I have some good content for you guys.
Now, just get all this cleaned
Trained
out
professionals
on the transmission, Troy, so you can get ready to pop that in. I can do the subframe tomorrow because I got to put bushing on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna change out his what you call it too. I'm gonna change out the sway bar bushing. This is already up. Oh, don't blow it. Here.
That's not what he said.
Are you sure you don't want? You're gonna blow it out or back?
That's a vacuum.
That's a lie.
Somebody don't know how to use this vacuum cleaner.
Oh, that's what you do, my friend.
Who put this shit on back?
You just put it on. Yeah.
Good thing we're planning on changing this out because there's fluid inside.
Did you bring?
There's an input shaft seal.
Yeah, there is fluid in there. Huh.
My seal was right there.
And you're replacing this too, right?
Oh, we already did.
Oh.
We already put that out of the way. So we don't put that back in.
Yeah.
So the
I saw you with the new one earlier, but I didn't know what happened to it.
right here.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice.
New, nice and clean.
Yeah.
With the little C clips so they don't fall off on you.
Yeah. Cool.
The factory ones are they got these little plastic retaining clips. So the new one is pretty heavy duty.
And that came with the clutch and everything.
Yeah. Well, the fork didn't, but we always change it out anyway because
the
yeah, the
clips and
release
stuff.
bearing comes with the with the clutch kit. So a lot of time these they tend to crack right along here, the weakest point.
Yeah.
So it's almost when what yours was doing, it almost seemed like it was one of these that was cracked. But actually, the clutch dips is like jacked.
Hold it. You wanna hold it?
Secret squirrel stuff right here.
Oh, should I not record the secret squirrel stuff?
Maybe not. Here.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This comes with the kit, right? Or you have to buy
No,
this
I have
separate?
Have the secret squirrels left?
Yeah.
They left? Okay, that's good. Man, I didn't realize I scraped my old dude.
The car's on bags.
I know, but I didn't realize I scraped it. I never heard a clunk.
There's a guy that hit a dog. He's like, hey man, my heat show's making some noise.
That got depressing really
He had a-
quick.
he had a-
Hey man, I hit a
he had
dog.
like a 2x4 brick or something on the ground.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
what it
okay.
was.
Yeah, 2x4.
No,
He
no,
did that,
it was
I'm
a
like-
it was a coyote, and then we fixed that.
Before that, and I almost threw up.
Oh god.
He just saw that. I just showed Tony the hair, and he's like, he just looked at. I'm like, Tony, look at the hair.
That's okay.
This comes with the kit, right? Or you have to
No,
buy
I
this
had to
separate?
buy that separate.
Oh, yeah.
We always buy all those stuff separate.
Oh yeah.
Those are OEM.
Ah.
That's a dealership, so look. Yeah, part number.
BMW says bend over
Or
anytime you
part
change
of the
something.
part number, so you gotta figure out the rest.
This looks like more secret squirrel sauce to me.
The mechanic shop.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is you. Oh, it is an Asian brew. Holy shit.
Yeah, man, it sweeps everything. Yeah, you can't have that hard Bristol broom. That thing flicks stuff everywhere. Everybody needs one of these. Everybody.
They need it. Everybody needs one
Yeah.
of these.
That's how you keep your shop
Is
clean.
it gonna be? Am I gonna culturally appropriate something if I try to use it though?
Hey man.
I don't want to upset people. I feel like I would upset people.
I don't know, man. You get one of those broom, people probably know, like, okay, this is a clean dude. If you use one of those bristle broom, people will be like, I guess this dude don't care.
Kind of like one of these?
Yeah, that's a backup broom.
Oh, it's the backup broom.
That's to chase people out of here.
This is right.
Nice.
Wait, where is it? Oh shit.
The blow off valve?
Oh, I gotta get it from up top.
Oh. Okay.
Where's that blue, small blue? Damn it. Hello, somebody.
Well, remember, I still have the blow off valve on there that you
Yeah, we're gonna take that one.
Yeah, I'm just letting you know.
Oh, there it is. Oh,
Yeah.
So he doesn't think it's, you know, to give it back to me or put it in the car or something.
Oh no. That's mine. Here's is it easier right there?
Nah. No, it'll probably be easier from up top. Oh, yeah, that old school T-pipe. Oh, shit. The T-pipe, I don't want to break it.
Oh no, mine's fine now.
We need
I replaced it.
You want
Put music
Yeah.
over stuff.
So Ford's not worth it.
Oh, man.
I can take
What
that out.
happened?
It's because you tightened it over the gear shifter, and if
No, I went in an angle like this. Go on.
okay.
Go ahead.
What angle are you getting? No.
Faster. 30 seconds on.
You got a lot of practice, huh? Oh, he's slowing down.
Oh shit, it ran out of steam. Okay, you kind of went over it now. Keep going.
Hey, Ringer's really coming down now.
Yeah, keep going.
Go right there.
No, it shouldn't go right there.
Oh, that looks even right there. Okay.
I go like this.
All right. Okay, hold on.
Like they're married.
Okay, that's pretty straight.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Looks like it. Maybe a millimeter more. Oh, yeah. Okay, right there. Is it? There you go.
Ooh, I heard the pop.
That's what you want to hear.
Yeah.
That's like
Nice.
Just like prom night.
dirty mind. You know what I'm talking about. So with these heat shields, everybody's always talking about how it burns out the valve cover.
Mm-hmm.
The way it sits like this. So what you do is you drill out these two rivets. You kind of measure where this going to be, where you can bend this at.
Mm-hmm.
Put a piece of 2x4 and bend this down. So this right here protects the valve cover. So if you're worried about cosmetic like most owners are,
Well, most people think they're just protecting the hood when they.
well,
do
they're
this.
trying to. This right here
Well,
is supposed
yeah.
to protect this.
Right. The
I
plastic for the forced induction.
The ram air
Yeah.
system. Anyways,
Or yeah, ram air, not forced induction.
so what you can do is go find some of these rivets, the same size, and re-rivet it back in so cosmetically it'll look okay. But if you bend this down, it'll help protect your valve cover,
Yeah.
and it'll still serve its purpose of protecting this. So,
The other solution is buying a turbo blanket, though, right?
yeah, and you get rid of this heat shield. So if you get up in there, it just makes the job easier to remove the turbo blanket than the actual heat
Yeah.
shield itself.
So
Uh,
turbo blanket. See?
So
Right, there you
a
go.
lot of people use a lot of curse word removing this stuff.
Is this working? You think it'll work?
Huh?
They can just buy a turbo blanket.
Oh, yeah. And you also need to know the valve cover, by the way.
Yeah, I don't think he still needs
Huh? What?
that. I can just buy a turbo blanket.
Yeah, you can. Like this.
Oh, that's perfect, actually. That's all I need. That won't cause a fire, will it?
And it'll catch all the oil right here.
Yeah. And it won't catch on fire?
And you can use it dual purpose. You can check your oil.
Oh, nice.
And you
Dual
put it on.
purpose.
Okay, cool. You got that. Now we do the 13.
That's really-
You have to have
But I wanted to like use the spindle
It's-
washer.
No, you use the
spindle nut. So
No.
that way it's easier to take off.
You use the nut with the little plastic washer inside it.
Yeah, I know.
That keeps it
I
from falling.
had that before.
What are you doing?
When I took it off, I had the the little
Make sure the bracket sits right on the top.
the nuts like this that.
It's
so I
freezing
could
rain.
turn it back.
It's sleet.
But instead,
Is it?
like,
Yeah.
came
Oh,
loose so
joy.
quick.
How do you know that?
Like literally,
I can
and then
tell by
I
the
lost my
the
hoodie.
noise it's making.
And I didn't notice. I was like,
And I know where the starter is.
Oh, that's right. You
oh
said,
shit! It's
you
way
said
back there.
yeah. Yeah, that's right. You said you had to go back and get it.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah. I think we're supposed to replace this.
What?
No, it's not leaking.
No. You thought you were gonna have to replace it because you thought that's what died when I told you I couldn't do my clutch
Well, we
anymore.
got it just in case.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we can't tighten this till we put that 13
Yep.
in.
And then we'll go back and
Put that.
almost put this on the wrong side.
13 in.
Wish I had that LSD still. I'm gonna cry about that for a while.
Knock that shit in there.
The LSD?
Yeah, it's like $5.50.
Yeah.
You don't need it. You don't have bags. You don't need it.
But I want it.
Watch out.
Said I wish I could get it. Didn't say I needed it.
You don't like a single dingle?
No.
Wheel been spinning?
Trying to do sick burnouts, bro.
Just make sure they standing on that passenger side where the wheels spin first.
Yeah.
Just keep everybody away from this side, like the ugly side of the car. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Trying to show everyone what this German engineering can do. Half-ass everything.
Put a smoke machine in there.
Oh, God. A fog machine on one side.
You should make fog go out underneath the car right before you open the door. You get out of the car.
Get out the car and have
He's
some
like,
nice
and they have like little
self-lacing
speakers like,
Nikes.
"Here come frijoles." Like announce yourself.
Should I put a speaker on the outside too?
Yeah.
Yeah?
They put it inside. They got the waterproof speaker.
Yeah.
They put it in the bumpers.
Alright guys, so Tony finished up the clutch on the car. I couldn't be there the whole time. He runs a business, I work a day job, so it wasn't really practical for me to ask him to wait the whole time for me. The clutch feels fucking phenomenal. It's awesome feeling. It disengages way later. It's a little bit stiffer clutch. But the shifting on the freeway, or shifting in between the gears while going, feels crazy. It's really smooth. It's really awesome. I'll post some specs here of the weight differences between the flywheel and the clutch and everything, and of the flywheel for sure. I think it was pretty significant weight drop just for the flywheel. So. Got a different exhaust on it. He had another exhaust laying around the shop. We're putting it on, seeing if I like it. And then I got my new blow-off valve on finally, so it definitely feels way different now, and I gotta relearn how to drive this thing, especially after driving my buddy's Integra for the last like 3 weeks. Huge shout out to that. That was really helpful with the driving 30 miles of stop and go traffic. Getting 5 to 10 miles a gallon in the Lincoln wasn't really ideal one way, so that was a big help. So happy to be back in the Mini. I'll have to do an update on the clutch after I break it in. I can't really do any hard driving until I do 500 miles of break in on the clutch, so it'll probably take me a few weeks because it's shifting miles, so stop and go traffic to work will help a lot, but I'm just gonna have to take it for what it is right now, guys. So appreciate you watching. If you got questions about the clutch, I'm gonna refer you to Tony at I Autoworks. Great guy, does great work. Him and his team are all certified Mini techs. They really know what they're doing, what they're talking about. They know what the limits are of these cars. I'll tell you, him and I went back and forth on putting the clutch in, and he just was dead sure that this was going to be a really great clutch, and he likes it a lot. He's impressed with it, and they've already got lined up to do a few more customers with the exact, well, not the exact same clutch, but the same brand. So they really like the clutch. I think they're going to start moving forward with this flywheel and clutch company set up for other cars. So if you guys are wanting to move forward with a new clutch and you live in the DFW area with a Mini Cooper and want some high quality work done, but he knows what he's doing, guys. Info is going to be right here. I'll even have a little card in the right hand corner if you want to click on that. Go show Tony some love on Facebook. His page will also be in the link in the description. And thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
Garbage.